And welcome back, everybody, to another Smoothie Cast health tip of the day, where we're going to use cherries, not mango, but instead pineapple. That's pineapple. And banana. And to start your smoothie off, we're going to read a little excerpt from the Healthy Smoothie Bible. So, we're going to do page 64. We're going to talk about the banana. So we got the universal magical fruit that works fine in just about any smoothie, combines well with almost all flavors, and is also affordable. Bananas are full of nutrition and benefits for your body and mind. They help you overcome depression thanks to their generous levels of serotonin. Bananas can also help with indigestion, alertness, and controlling your sugar cravings. Have bananas handy, woo, at all times. Let's make a smoothie. So we're gonna go 2 bananas because the Healthy Bible says so. Now understand this, people. I make smoothies, 1, because they taste good, 2, because it's fun. I just like making it. I like blending stuff together. Ah! Now we need more time. Alright, there we go. Cherries in there. There we go. Alright, so we're going to go mix it with agua, filtered agua by my AquaTrue. And we're also going to go almond milk. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Bingo. Costco. I'm telling you, Costco. I think that's pretty good, huh?
Alert, alert, smoothie time. It is time to blend smoothie. Burp, burp.
And blast off! Voila! So if you don't want to eat your banana, blend it in a little smoothie. 8.7.